Hi guys, kamusta? How are you guys? How's everything? Hope all is well.
What's up mga kapaakar? Talaan tayo natan may unsisikat inti trending natan yung Pangasinan ya authentic biryani. Antoy, galila, iba nyo aklalamat. Let's go! Antoy, galila, iba nyo aklalamat. Good day mga kapaakar. Taiban nyo ak taulatayin natin sa may unti trending niya biryani jaed Binalonan, Pangasinan. Jalabaya ed New Bypass Road may abay to may paliparan mismo eroplano Binalunan. Niman dakilay to Jamanaya iray i-entertain ton unaan iramay ak order online. Katuno gabi kinuputan man order kay online.
Every page and you can Masala Biryani restaurant. You will find on my here on the right hand side. I put the banner. So the same logo you will go there. And you will find me, just send me message.
Yaman na may ngaran to jet FB page ni napasabak so English good saya singa si kuya.
Thank you very much, sir. Salamat.
My name is Ronel Garcia. Ay lasika pa English. Gata suportan tayo kuya.
Hi guys, kamusta? How are you guys? How's everything? Hope all is well. And I'm very thankful for all of you guys who is giving me this kind of support, and you are letting me to be more fame. But I'm just a small person. I am not much capable of going to entertain you all of you guys. So I'm just going and steady to improve myself, and will be able inshallah in the future to entertain more and more people inshallah. Thank you so much. God bless you all of us.
Ay galila, no pula English ko. Sa importante, wali order ko. Iba nyo, tatawin tayo yan eh. Sa ilala ko to manaya, walay chicken curry masala, quarter leg biryani. Tapos wala ni mesake, may beef curry masala biryani. Presyo to manaya at 190 pesos. Sulit matla ah. Daming serving. Ito yung kanin, sulit. Chicken ang laki. Laki ng chicken. Sulit mutla, so biyay tayo dyan Binalonan. Kaysa biyay ka nit ibang bansa ang pinatawayan labat. Niwa dyan labat ang Binalunan niya ni, sulit. Hindi siya yung natitikman nating biryani sa ano. Talagang masasabi mo authentic siya kasi kakaiba. Bagay yung nasa lahat ng mga ingredients ang biya. Sarap. Tawayan timot siya may chicken curry masala biryani. Agi bali-balitan lalo na damod sa may kinda. Garlic mayo, tani may hot sauce. Bali-bali combination to. May hot sauce tapos meron siyang garlic mayo. Sarap. Nalaban yung spices, yung anghang, yung na-miss no garlic mayo. Sarap. Antoy mga kapaakar, nugabay yung tawayan, laki labadya jad New Bypass Road at Binalonan, Pangasinan. Suportan tayo Masala Biryani Restaurant. Iman labat mga pakar, see you!